Hey guys, this is Pooja from Health and Media, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through our complete patient acquisition system, the system that we use to help dental clinics consistently attract and convert high value patients on autopilot. I'll also show you exactly how it works. But before that, if you are a dentist or a dental clinic owner looking for a predictable way to bring in high quality patients, then you can book a free strategy call with me. Now, let's break down exactly how the system works. As you see, the first step is the front end ads, which are designed to attract the right patients, not just to generate random clicks. So we run highly targeted campaigns across different social media platforms. Now these platforms can be Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, and you have YouTube. So we focus on people in your local area who are already searching for dental services. Now, these are not the generic ads. They are strategically crafted to bring in high intent patients who are more likely to convert into actual appointments. Now, the second step is the conversion offer. So here what happens? Once someone clicks on the ad, they are shown a compelling offer, something that makes them take actions immediately. For example, here we have free X-ray examination, then same day appointment, zero down financing, free smile assessment, and many more. So these offers reduce hesitation and increase conversion rates. And the goal here is to turn visitors into leads. So the next step is high converting landing page. So what happens here? So all your leads land on a simple landing page with a three-step form where they have to provide three things. First is basic information, second is treatment related question, and third is appointment booking confirmation. Okay, now this page is optimized to remove distractions and guide the patient towards booking. So here we actually capture lead details and the patient intent. The fourth step is the CRM dashboard. Now what happens here? All the leads are automatically stored inside a CRM system where they are categorized as hot, warm, and cold. Okay, hot means that the patients are ready to book appointment. Warm means they are interested but unsure, and cold means low intent. So this helps us prioritize follow-ups and maximize conversions. Here the goal is to organize and track every lead. Now the next step is automated follow-up. So here is where most clinic fails. But this is where we win because the moment a lead comes in, within second they receive email, SMS, call trigger. So no delay, no waiting, and then we nurture them with a sequence of messages like we send them a welcome message, reminder, then treatment information, appointment link, so no lead goes cold. So this ensures that no lead is lost and keep the patient engaged until they take action. And here we are actually increasing the response rate as well as the engagement. Now the next step is concierge live transfer. So for high intent leads, we use a concierge system where calls are connected instantly to your clinic. So instead of waiting, the patient is directly transferred for real-time booking. This increases the conversion massively and hot leads convert instantly. At the seventh step, we finally have our qualified leads, or you can say the qualified patient. So these are the real patients who are ready to visit your clinic. But also, we don't stop here. We have post-appointment system where we nurture these patients after appointment. Like we send to them some messages like case study message, follow-ups, feedback request, and re-engagement campaigns. So even one patient can turn into multiple visits and referral. Finally, we have our last step, that is nurture sequence. As you know that not everyone book appointment immediately. So for them, we run a nurture campaign. So we send or we make actually the email drip sequences and re-engagement messages for them. So this helps those patients bring back who didn't convert the first time. So here we actually recover our lost opportunities. So overall, this system doesn't just generate leads, it builds a complete pipeline that attracts, nurtures, and converts patients into booked appointments consistently. Now, I have a question for dentists. Like, do you want a system that brings patients consistently? If yes, then let's build a system for your clinic. You can book a free strategy call with me and we will scale your practice together. And I'll personally show you how this works for your clinic. Thank you.